Well, be careful. You're gonna get this right on the head. Yes, you are too. Yes, you are too. It's you wee little girl. You better be careful. You little mess. Let her watch. Why didn't he talk to me? You better. You better just talk to me. Yes, you better. What kind? Oh, I hear you talking to me. Yes, I do. So I'm trying to sit up and I can't do it. I can't get up.
She's trying really hard.
Cause I'm this little. I can't get up. No. I'm trying to get up. I'm gonna get up one of these days. And get on him. Get on him too. So you're trying to...
Yeah. She's trying really hard. She's like,
I'm trying to get up. I done get up and did that, Papa Steve. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I done get up and did it one of these days. Yes, I would. Yes, I would too. Ooh. Sweet little booger. You're a sweet little booger. What? Are you done smile for your mommy? Yes, you better. Yes, you better. You little mess. You little mess.
You know, when you lay her in that chair, she's as long as that thing is wide.